Hey there, I'm going to walk you through one approach to loop through a selected range of data using a macro in Excel. Here we have budget EBITDA, financial data for a list of business units. A macro will bolden numbers greater than 0 or italicize values less than or equal to 0 in the loop. Open Visual Basic for Applications and insert a module. Remember to place a description in your macro. Let's call the macro loop selection. Disable the following 3 Excel properties using the application object, as this will improve the speed and efficiency of our looping macro. It is good practice to get into the habit of notating every step of your macro, as this will help you or others to understand your macro at a later date. Next, we want to declare the object variables which we will use to compose the macro. We will use the set keyword to specify our selected range as the range object variable. We are now ready to compose our loop of the selected range. The for each cell in RNG syntax is the critical piece of code which will enable us to loop through our selected range of financial data. To demonstrate this looping macro, as mentioned above, we are inserting a simple if statement which will bolden cell values that are greater than 0, or else italicize the value if equal to or less than 0. Alternatively, you can insert some other code inside the for each code if you want the looping macro to do something else with your selected data. Once the macro is run, we will move the cursor to the first cell in the selected data range. We will then re-enable those three Excel properties which were disabled or altered at the top of our code. We will now review our macro, return to our data set, and then run the macro on our selected data range. As we can see, our looping macro is correctly running. It has looped through selected data and formatted it according to our requirements.